All right, friends, I would love to read some stories for you today. We are going to read Stack the Cats, and this is by Susie Garimani. What do cats say? Woof, 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 woof. No. Do cats go cock-a-doodle-doo? No. Kitty cats say meow. Stack the cats. One cat sleeps. Two cats play. One, two. Can you show me two on your fingers? Awesome. Three cats stack. One, two, three. Four cats teeter. Oh. Five cats totter. Oh. Are they gonna tumble over? Six cats prefer two stacks of three cats. One, two, three, four, five, six. Seven cats nap. Eight cats try, but oh no, they're looking a little wobbly. Eight cats tumble. Nine cats agree to three, three, and three. Oh, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. 10 cats are just too many. So, one cat sleeps. Two cats climb up and away. Bye, kitties. Two cats hide. Where are they hiding? Under the rug? And two cats seek. And three cats stack. 1, 2, 3. How will you stack the cats? And that, my friends, is the end. Nice work counting.